Hey guys, recently I made some chocolate cookies. I baked them in 2 batches because I wanted to test the difference myself and see if they're actually that different like many people say. I started with 125 grams of very soft butter, to which I added 80 grams of brown sugar, 30 grams of corn syrup, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. I used some corn syrup instead of all sugar, that is to help make the cookies more moist and stay sold for longer. I first combined everything with the rubber spatula. It makes everything easier later on since no mixer was used. Once it's homogeneous, I switched to a wire whisk because I find it creams the butter better. Scrape the sides and bottom to ensure that everything is properly mixed in. Then I added 1 whole egg. Very vigorously whisk that egg in. And then keep whisking and whisking, not only to mix the egg in completely, but also beating some air. Until it's really light and really fluffy. The texture is so nice, it kind of reminds me of coffee buttercream. More scraping. That's 130 grams of flour and a quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Slowly mix the flour into the butter mixture so it doesn't fly everywhere. Before the flour is all mixed in, it's the chocolate's turn. That's 120 grams of dark chocolate. Thoroughly mix the chocolate in, and then the dough is done. Then I used an ice cream scoop to pan half the dough and left the other half in the fridge to finish the next day. So they went in a 375 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius oven for 12 minutes, rotated halfway. After a minute or two out of the oven, I moved the cookies off the parchment paper and let them cool down completely. So this is the next day. I tried to scoop it up, but it's so firm that it almost broke my ice cream scoop. So I used a scale instead. That's 50 grams each. Same temperature, same time. This batch came out pretty much the same as the first batch, except for the spread, since the dough was colder and I didn't flatten them. Now I had 2 batches here for comparison. The visible difference is the height and the spread, obviously. Flavor-wise, the chilled one is definitely better. It has a deeper, more intense flavor. It's soft, kinda chewy. Now the one baked right away, it's not bad for sure, but it's less flavorful. It's like fresh strawberry puree versus a reduction. The puree is still tasty and delicious, but the reduction is way more intense and more concentrated. I didn't feel that much of a difference in terms of texture, since this is a soft cookie recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos on my learning journey. Thank you very much for watching and have a good one.